All right, Dennis. The first thing I have to say about these questions, I've got a mic myself. Yeah.
3, 2.
So the first thing I want to say is that there's no wrong answers. Just answer exactly how you feel. There's no right or wrong answers to any of these questions. There are no wrong answers to any of the questions I'm going to ask you. Okay. Just answer as honestly as you possibly can.
Can do. Sounds good.
First question: cake or pie?
You know, I'm a little bit of a cake guy.
That's wrong.
You know?
That's wrong. Third one in a row. Totally wrong.
You know,
Stop it. That's totally wrong. Cake is horrible.
Absolutely cake.
It's horrible.
Now that I think about it, with Thanksgiving coming up, I should have went with pie.
Right. It's so much better.
I should have went with pie.
Yeah, cake sucks. Should you ever wear brown and black together?
Absolutely.
Really?
Heck yeah.
Okay.
I have no questions.
Right.
I would
It's
wear
usually
it
the
all.
opposite. It's
Yes.
usually no.
Oh, well, there you go.
Okay.
I do my own.
Rebel?
Yep.
A misdressed rebel?
Pretty much.
And I wasn't having fun with my contracting job anymore. So what I wanted to do is build a television show that was adventure, fun, and fishing.
Okay.
I co-founded the organization. There were 4 of us board directors who started off, and that was just in 2012. So we're pretty young as an organization, but you know, we're making pretty great strides, really.
It'd be great to see a little bit more expansion of kind of the midtown feel into the downtown or into the university area.
The revenue that comes in, those are transactions. You got to get them booked and keep people happy, and you got to do it in a compliant way, and I manage that team.
My favorite event, of course, is the Best in the West Nugget Rib Cook-Off.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes, I produce that event. My whole team at the Nugget works very hard on it. We work on it year-round, and it is the biggest barbecue festival in the country.
There's intellect here, there's culture here. It's sort of like the perfect package.
You have growth and you have a lot of people coming in, you're going to have issues. Whether it's a big problem, that would imply that the city's not able to handle it.
Right.
But I think that they're doing a good job addressing everything.
Fantastic.
And I see a lot of building happening, and I think there's a lot of builders coming back into the market, which is exciting. So
That's great news, yeah.
And how much the community has given back, which has really inspired me to start my own foundation. And it's the people in the community that have really made the difference in my life, which has inspired me to give back.
I think the Young Professional Network is great because it brings together a lot of those younger career-minded folks, right, that are just getting into their field and just getting their career.
I decided to go to law school and moved back up to Reno and worked for a judge here. And in January, I moved over to Fenimore Craig. I've been doing business litigation for about 8 years.
Love accounting.
I love the concept of accounting and that it introduces you to business and how business is run.
And, our business has grown. We have 5 employees now, not including myself. We're looking into continuing to build. We give back to the community quite a bit.
I do a lot of volunteering. I'm on the board of Volunteers of America, and I'm the chair for Operation Backpack. We collect all the backpacks for the needy kids, and last year we collected over 1,000 backpacks.
I think that the growth is going to be huge in Reno because of the changing dynamics of Midtown and just, I think, our age group. I think that we have a lot of determined people who are coming out of college, and I think that that's something that the professors are talking a lot about.
The MCC is seeing an increase in enrollment. I wouldn't say it's a record, but we are up, which is great news for us, and we're excited to be helping with training those workers for Tesla and all the other manufacturing companies that are coming to town.
In addition to being the executive director for NAOP and for RAD, which are organizations here, one is local, one is national, and we just have a chapter here. And then my husband and I have a custom furniture company too, which I've been all over town about. So just a little busy.
Yeah.
Just a little.
We've been working in downtown Reno, so redevelopment. We own the 2nd floor of the Palladio and the first 2 floors of Arlington Towers. So the buzzword Startup Row that you hear about, the new parklet that we're putting in, just a bunch of little pieces that we're working with tenants and commercial owners downtown to make that the place you want to be.
You know why manhole covers are round?
Wow, that's a deep question.
It's not that deep.
I think
You're way overthinking it. Do you know why manhole covers are round?
No.
You want to think about it? You want to call somebody?
For big tubes, pipes.
Right, that's exactly right. Big tube pipes.
It's probably so people can fit through them.
That's right. People are round. That's how it works.
Do you know the answer to that?
I do know the answer, and that's not.
No, I have no idea.
Fair enough.
I got nothing.
We'll cut that out. That's it. Fantastic.
All right.
Is it because they can't fall into the hole?
That is the absolute correct answer. A round cover can't fall into a round hole.